Hello everybody, welcome back to today's video. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can make money phone flipping. The first thing you need to do is find phones to sell. The first way is you can find phones to sell phones that you already have at home that you don't use anymore. So this might be phones that you've had before you upgraded to a new one, and you could just sell them to make a little bit of money to then have more money to buy more phones. The second way is the best way if you want to consistently sell phones. All you'll need to do is post ads on websites like Facebook Marketplace, Shpock and Gumtree or other online platforms that you have in your country. You can just sit and post an ad saying, "Wanted, buy any iPhone for cash," and people should respond to that advert offering to sell their phone to you. If you keep posting ads on as many online selling platforms as you can, then you should get a lot of people messaging you. The third way is you can look on websites like eBay or places where people are selling their phones and offer them cash, but it will be harder using this method as more people might also want the phones, so it's unlikely you will get it for as cheap, as other people will also be saying to the buyer, "I'll have it for this amount of money." Before buying the phone, you should do this. When you're deciding on how much you want to offer someone for the phone you want to buy, you can search the phone in on eBay and put the same specs, for example the same storage and condition, and look on the sold items to see what the prices the phones are selling on eBay. When you know how much you could sell it for, you can take away the fees that eBay and PayPal are taking from you, how much it will be to post the item out, and how much profit you want to make. The total you will have left can be the amount of money you offer to buy the phone for. You can do this with every phone you get, as you can decide how much profit you want to make from each one. An example of this is, you want to buy an iPhone 8 with 32GB of storage, so you look on eBay and see that one is sold for £250 in the last few days. You need to times £250 by 0.88, which is approximately the £12 eBay and PayPal fees. This makes it £220. Now take away how much it will cost for postage, so let's say it will be £15, and you want to make 50 profit, so you'll do 220 minus 15 and then minus 50 equals £155, so you would offer that £155 to the person you want to buy the phone from. You can offer the seller £155, and if they say yes, then it's good, and if they say no, you might need to negotiate a new price and might need to make less profit, or you can just move on and find the next phone to buy. Before buying the phone, you should also do this. Once you have decided on a price with the buyer, you can decide to meet a place to meet up to get the phone and hand over the money. Try and meet up where and when the buyer would like, and it will make them happier to do business with you. There are some things you'll need to check over when you get the phone. Make sure the quality is the same as what the buyer said when you were negotiating the price, and make sure there aren't any scratches that you didn't know about. If it's not the same quality as you thought it was, you can try and negotiate a lower price or say you don't want it anymore, as they should have been honest with you in the first place. You should also check that the volume, home and power buttons work, and you can do this by simply pressing them and see if they work. Reselling the product. If you're new to selling on eBay, when you first sell something, your money will get put on hold by PayPal, which would mean you won't be able to buy any new phones for up to 21 days, which could cause a problem because your money will be on hold. One thing you could do would be sell it locally on Facebook or other selling platforms, so you can have the money straight away to buy more phones to sell. Unless you have a large startup budget, then this won't be a problem. Try and take some professional looking photos, as this will probably make you look more trustworthy and more people will buy from you. Make sure that you package the phone up well and when you send it, once it's been sold. The last thing you would want is for the phone to be damaged and broken, as you will have to refund the buyer and you probably won't be able to sell the phone for as much money and you'll end up losing money on it. When you're posting the parcel, make sure you get proof of postage, and that if it gets lost on the way to the buyer, you can get the delivery service to pay the full amount the product's worth, so you aren't losing any money. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching the video, and I'd hope it's helped you learn about phone flipping and how anyone can do it. If you did enjoy the video, please hit the subscribe button to be one of my first subscribers. Thanks everyone, I'll see you in the next video. Remember guys, we have a 100 subscriber giveaway. All you need to do is click on the video in the top right hand corner where the arrow is pointing and subscribe and watch the video for more details. Good luck to everyone who enters. I hope it's you.